Well, so we're finally getting a little bit of rain, but I wanted to do another quick video. Now, some of you guys know that unfortunately when these spouts on these gas cans break or they fall apart, most people throw the whole can away. Well, here in California, it's not necessarily the easiest to get a hold of spouts like these, but you can still get them, thankfully. And I found these on Amazon. I got two different kinds. And I'm actually going to use this one on this can. Mainly because this one, it does have a little bit of a flexible end on it. But being that this is a smaller can and it's going to be easier to maneuver around, the more rigid spout will be a lot easier. This one I'm probably going to put on my bigger gas can, which I believe is like a 5-gallon gas can. But unfortunately, as these things age, you can replace these, but these are the California legal ones. They're a pain in the ass to use, they often leak, and they don't really work all that well. But these are the ones that you can go down to Walmart or any hardware store and buy here. They're not really worth anything in my opinion. But these, you're only supposed to be able to use on 2009 and older gas cans. I think this one's an older than 2009 gas can, but I'm not 100% sure about that. Oh, and it also comes with a new cap. Filter screen. So I'm going to have to determine which one of these is going to fit. I think this one might end up working. And we'll see what this one does. Actually, this one's a little bit better. So there it is. That's all there is to it. It's a lot nicer now, and I'm not going to be dribbling fuel all over me from using this old one. So this is going to be trashed. And I'm actually going to keep these because these do come in handy a lot of the time. So here we have the other gas can. Same type of spout. This thing is, I'm so glad to get rid of these. You guys have no idea. But this one is the Easy Pour. So, see which one fits on here just fine. It appears to be this one. Just for posterity, we'll try this one as well. Both seem to fit just fine. That might be... We'll use this one. That works for me. So, that's how we're going to install this one. And so there we have it. I'm going to be much less annoyed and irritated with these gas cans now, getting fuel all over me and all over the floor and everything else. So that's going to work out really well. And by the way, these were only like $9 each off of Amazon, so I'm more than happy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more.